Okay, we're at another customer's house today, and you can see by this marble countertop there's quite a bit of damage. The spotting you see are etch marks, and the customer wants them to be removed. There's another big one here right in the middle of the screen. There's two of them right there. We're going to remove those and hone this stone, and then we'll go ahead and lay down a sealant to help protect the stone in the future. So you can see the countertops after the first honing are starting to light up or brighten up a little, as opposed to the area where we have not done yet. You can see how dark this is over here compared to this over here. Lighter, and this is darker. Okay, so we finished honing this marble countertop. You can see it's much cleaner, much brighter. All the light scratches and etch marks have now disappeared, giving the stone a much more uniform and even look to it. And the last step is we're going to seal this stone. And we're also going to recaulk the joints here, and that'll give the countertop a nice trimmed out look. But the stone really came back to life. And again, this customer wanted a honed finish.